This is attorney Sherrod Seward, Sherrod Sports Visas, and I'm here to give kind of my thoughts and best practices when it comes to dealing with some new things we're seeing with USCIS. Now, it's been the case for maybe about 4 to 5 months where USCIS is routinely not adhering to the timing mechanisms that are there for premium processing. Sometimes just flat out ignoring RFE response. But what we're finding was when people were submitting premium processing cases, they were getting adjudicated more harshly. And then also there's some times where they just did not acknowledge that the time has passed on the 15 business day response time, which of course is awful. And so what came down on August 5th was a policy memo here that talks about evidence, requests for evidence, and notices of intent denial. And pretty much what it says is that they can go ahead and deny a case without even having to issue these anymore, right? So now you have thousands of dollars that you paid for premium processing that are just in limbo and putting your petition at risk of being adjudicated more harshly since it's in that fast track. So for that, we are strongly advising clients to submit their cases with regular processing and then look to add premium processing later. But right now, we're strongly advising using regular processing instead of premium. But we're going to do our best to keep the most updated information to clients and just the general community that's interested in employment-based visas, especially in the extraordinary ability categories of P and O and EB1A. Because we see so much stuff all the time. So a lot of times we're the first to be able to say what the trends of USCIS are in real time.